This is my lab. Welcome to another tasty adventures with me, my friend. Amazing.